I often tell my students this: I don't see myself as just a tutor. I see myself like a professional trainer for Olympic athletes. Every athlete I work with already has the potential to win the gold medal. My job isn't to create that potential, it's to give them the right tools, the right strategy, and the right mindset, and to pick them up when things get tough. Over the years, I've worked with students from completely different backgrounds, starting from different points, different struggles, and different confidence levels. But what they all had in common was this: when they combined hard work, consistency, and the right guidance, incredible things happened. Let me share a few real students' journeys. This student came to me after failing her first midterm, and she genuinely thought science wasn't for her. She was discouraged, seriously questioning her future. But instead of giving up, she decided to try a new approach. She used my chemistry video tutoring, changing her study strategy, and most importantly, she learned how to prioritize properly. 1 month later, she got 97% on her second midterm, more than 50% improvement. She continued using my videos, but this time for physics. And she finished the course with 99%, the highest mark I've seen in that class in all years of my tutoring. She went from almost dropping out from science to becoming a top candidate for medical schools in Canada and US. Sometimes it's not about intelligence, it's about direction. This student wasn't failing, but she knew she could do better. She heard about my services from a friend after not performing as well as she wanted on her first OChem midterm. She started using my OChem videos. She asked questions after watching them, applied the strategies, and on her second midterm, she scored 94%. Once she saw the difference, she started using my videos for genetics and physiology, and aced them both. Next semester, biochemistry and physical chemistry. Aced again. And third year, she took biochemistry and she got 94%. This is the proof that tutoring isn't just for students who are struggling. Sometimes it's for students who want to go from good to exceptional. This student contacted me in August, but didn't start tutoring until after doing poorly on her first midterms. When she did start though, she went all in. Videos, group tutoring, and private sessions before exams. She was one of the most engaged students I've ever worked with, always asking questions, asking for advice, always trying to improve. 2 years later, she sent me a message that we'll never forget. She made the dean's list. Moments like this are the reason I can tutor 70 hours a week, and that's how I know every hour is worth it. This student actually started tutoring before the semester even began. She and her friend joined group tutoring sessions early to prepare ahead. Her first midterm average was around 40%. She did better than the average, but she was very discouraged. After seeing how the course was tested, I adjusted my strategy, and we added private sessions. Her second midterm, 90%. She used my videos for her second chemistry course, skipped the lectures strategically to save time, and aced that class too. In second year, she majored in chemistry, took OChem, finished with 88%, while the class average was very low. She didn't just want to improve her grades, she built confidence. This student came to me early, not because she was struggling, but because she had a big goal, medical school. We met on a weekly basis. She felt improvement, but she kept comparing herself to her friends. I kept telling her the same thing. Trust the process. I see your potential. By the end of her second semester, she finished with 86% average, higher than her friends that she used to compare herself to. In the second year, she took OChem, and she used my videos instead. She scored 94%. The most impressive part, she knew she could do even better. Every student you just saw started from a different place, different confidence levels, different struggles, different fears. but they all shared three things: the right mentality, perseverance, and clear strategy to follow. Most students already have incredible potential. They don't need to be smarter. They just need the right tools and someone who believes in them until they believe in themselves. And that's what I do.